Welcome to the channel. We got a special NFT project to talk about today, and it's called Angrymals. This is inspired by Worms and Angry Bird. This is a new crazy video game that lets you challenge your friends. But before we start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. So please guys, make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. Now the website is called Angrymals.io. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below in this video on the educational network. You can go over there and check the website out. I'm going to go in great detail and talk about what the game is about and how you can earn by playing this play to earn game. The NFT minting is going to start on March 22nd, so lock that date down on your calendars because this is gonna be huge. You can get it on Google Play, you can get it on App Store. This is gonna be a very unique play to earn game that is coming out, and it's gonna be very similar to the Angry Birds that we all have been playing. They're available on Twitter, they're available on Telegram, they're available on Instagram and on Discord. Guys, if you want to get reliable information about Angrymals, you gotta go and join their Discord, because the Discord is the place to get reliable information from. Now, the big question comes, what is Angrymal? Angrymal is actually inspired by the game Worms and Angry Bird, and this is a new crazy video game that lets you challenge your friends with a barrage of carrots, exhaust and sperm whales. And if you can look at the game plan, it's very similar to how we used to play Angry Birds, and that is one of the reasons why this particular NFT, this particular play to earn game is gonna be massive. This is powered by the K-Thon Polygon. Now as I scroll down, you can see this is a fully developed and user tested game. That means that you can actually take control of the team with 3 crazy Angrymals garrisoned inside a fortress of junk. Shot after shot, the players will fling junks at each other to smash open the fortress and take down the other team. And you can go check it out on Google Play. There's a lot of people playing it, and obviously this is slowly going to blow up into something massive. The NFT is minting on March 22nd, and you can own each one of these amazing Angrymals, and you can sell them, and you can use these Angrymals to earn by playing this game. And that is one of the reasons why it is so unique. So what are the game features, you might ask? The Angrymal is based on one concept: throw junk, wreck things. And the games are played player versus player, one-on-one between 2 players. Player each take control of a team of 3 customized Angrymals, firing a huge range of absurd weapons at each other to destroy the enemy's fortress and knock out the opponent's Angrymals. And the player win when all Angrymals on the other team have their HP reduced to 0. As you can see, this is one of the reasons why this is so unique. They've taken a concept that we all are very familiar with, and they've developed that concept into something very unique. And the way they've developed it, they've ensured that using that NFT and playing on the blockchain and playing a player versus player game, the time that you're investing into playing that game is a return on the time, in the sense of it being monetized. So the more time you spend, the better you get at the game, the more you earn in the game. So obviously back in the day, we were just spending our time and getting fun, but now you spend your time, you get fun, and you get paid. And that is why this is going to be one of the biggest play to earn games in the industry. Now it is based on the blockchain integration, which means the blockchain integration enables Angrymals to bring its game to the next level and expand to new audience with enhanced user experience, which provides player with a true ownership of in-game banners, skins and other assets. They are able to sell and trade these assets on secondary marketplaces, where players are rewarded for the time they have spent and improving their skills and strategies with tokenized rewards to play to earn mechanics that scale with skill levels, and incentives to compete in higher stakes gameplay, spend time in ranked mode, and complete in tournaments. With enhanced audience reach to target casual players through its approachable design and simple game plan, target players which are motivated to earn potentials, target hardcore audience through higher stake gameplay and tournaments, incentivizes the existing players to improve their strategic choices in fortress design, team weapon selection. So obviously this is one of the reasons this is very unique. And the other reason is the dedicated team these guys have got. They're supported by the Gain100x Gaming. You got Daniel, the CEO and lead developer. You can check him on LinkedIn. The LinkedIn link is over here. You can click on it and it will take you to who this person is, what their qualifications are, and what they have been doing. You got Ken, you got Cardio, Hayden, Fabio. You got so many individuals that have been in the NFT space, that have been in the crypto space, that understand what strategy needs to be implemented for the NFT, for the play to earn game to be successful. Any successful NFT, any successful game needs to have individuals that have the experience of the NFT space, that have strategies that have worked before, and they have developed effective strategies to enhance and take it to the next level. This team has got that potential. This team understands what they need to do, and these individuals have been involved with so many upscale big names in the industries, and obviously them bringing that right now is actually creating something very interesting. They have support from the Gain100x Gaming team, from Lewis, who's the Soul Chicks COO, and obviously Soul Chicks is another amazing NFT play to earn game, which I have already done a review of, which is available on my channel, The Educational Network. You can go over there and check it out. I am not a financial advisor, guys. These are play to earn games and NFTs that I've researched, and I feel that they've got the potential to make it big, and that is why I'm bringing it to you guys. Because if you want to invest your time, if you want to invest your money, and if you want to invest your effort, you want to put all those things in something that will give you something back in return. And their roadmap is very, very good. They have 10,000 banner NFT mints and NFT integration in-game as profile pictures, which happened on March 15, 2022. In March 2022, the private and public fundraise, the outreach to various groups and angel investors took place, and with the token listing of the launch of the Chaos Orbs token, and the plans to list it on major platforms is going to be in April 2022, with a play to earn version release is going to come in next month as well in April 22, and future game updates and tournaments are going to be in June 2022. These guys have got a strategy, and you can contact them on support@angrymals.com and they will get back to you. And you can follow them on Discord, on Instagram, on Twitter, and all these places, and they've been seen on NFT Evening as well. Guys, these guys are gonna make it big. So if you're thinking about playing a game, investing your time in, this is particularly a game that you should invest in. This is the game that you should invest your time and your efforts into, because they have something very unique. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any of the videos I'm making, and share these videos on Facebook, on WhatsApp with your friends and your family so more people can benefit from them and learn from them. If there's any particular NFT or play to earn game you think I should do a review of, you can always comment in the section below or drop me a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel, The Educational Network, and I will put it on the list to do of new videos that I'm making. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.